Hello guys, today we are going to talk about Aptos. As you can see, Aptos is everywhere. It's getting launched today. So by the time you will watch this video, it will be already launched on multiple exchanges, Bybit, Binance. If you want to buy this, you can use any link in the description. But before buying, let me give you a review or my thoughts on the Aptos project. So watch this video till the end. I have small time to research it. I just researched it today itself, and based on that, I'll created this video. This is not investment advice. So watch this video till the end to learn more about Aptos. So Aptos is a layer one blockchain, and they are calling themselves as a Solana killer. Now, this itself seen as a marketing tactics because if you've been in crypto for a long time, you can think that Ethereum was born as a Bitcoin killer. Then there was Cardano. EOS was trying to kill Ethereum. Then there was Solana who's trying to kill Ethereum. Now there is Aptos who is trying to kill Solana, but Solana is already killed. It's so many downtimes in a 1 year. So when it wakes up, somebody can kill it. Yeah. So you can see this is founded by Moshe and his founder Averaging. He is from Facebook, and this is one of the major sign when people are emphasize about a project more on their past. For example, in this case, the marketing is more emphasizing or more focused on founders that these people are from Facebook, so they might be building something good. Remember, the people who built the best products in crypto, example Bitcoin, Satoshi, don't know where was Satoshi and what's his past. Vitalik, he was writing articles for Coindesk. So people who build the best products in crypto might not be have a very good past or sort of those things, but in this case, they are emphasizing that these people are from Facebook. So of course, the engineering team is from Facebook, but I looked into Moshe's profile. His profile is this, and this is his experience. So till 2015, he was an associate. Yes, so if we can see, he was associate in Pakistan. Before that, New York. Then in 2016, he became consultant and Boston Consulting Group. In 2017 to 20, he rose up in consensus, which gave so many failed projects, and only few projects it has able to acquire was in Fura, MetaMask. Mostly these are the good projects, but consensus created so many, funded so many projects, and a lot of them failed. Then he also created his own project which was failed also. It's nowhere to found on internet. Then he joined Meta as a strategic partnership for Novi. Their Facebook was creating a blockchain which was scraped this year, and all the intellectual property was sold out. And then few projects started trying to make something good out of it, or you can think what they're trying to do. But I'll go into more depth in little bit later. So after that, he's also doing some gigs in between, and then from the last 11 months, he's a CEO and co-founder of Aptos. So in the last 11 month, Aptos was created, and it was testnet launch. Now mainnet is launched 2 days back. Everything is happened is very fast. Yes, and this is the 24th February Aptos Genesis of Aptos post where they announced Aptos project. This was talking about what is the technology. It is saying that it is using Move. Now I talked to one person in my past. Actually, I talked to so many similar person, but I was talking to a person and he told me that he invested in Solana because it uses Rust. So he invested in a project which was using a specific language program. That's why he invested in. Now, this is the dumbest investment thesis I've ever heard, because you were using Google, you were watching this in YouTube, and you don't know what YouTube use in the backend, and you don't care if product works, it works. You don't want to know, you don't care what is behind it. So using certain language doesn't guarantee success. So in this case, Aptos losing move, and it is from DM, and their emphasis of that they have a background from Facebook is little bit intriguing. So yes, and his co-founder has spent 10 years in Facebook mostly, and then he joined Novi, which was Facebook's project. Yes, so after that, let's see its funding. So uh, Aptos got a lot of money recently. So first he raised 200 million from A16 Jet, Paxos, FTX, Tiger Global, from bunch of guys from 24th Feb. After that, they raised 150 million from multiple products from Jump Crypto, FTX, A16Z, and then recently they got money from Binance and Dragonfly Capital this, from the last month itself. So if you see the valuation they raised the money, the first funding round was 200 million round was around 1 million. You can see that the new round was around 1 million. They closed at around 1 billion valuation. So 200 million was raised at 1 billion, and the recent round, which was around 150 million, was around $2 billion mark valuation. So I mean, like, there are, I'll go into tokenomics, but there are around 1 billion token, 1 billion APT token, which is Aptos token, and the valuation was around 2 billion. So each the investors bought around $2 for each Aptos. So they gave $2 for each APT token. What investor VCs gave this much? Okay, there was a lot of controversy, and one of the controversy was that Aptos didn't release its tokenomics until yesterday. So that was also one of the major problem. You can see the release date, it's 17th October. So, and it was already announced that it is going to be listed on multiple exchanges. So it is, you can see that the exchanges are so corrupt that they knew they already have a tokenomics, because without tokenomics they won't list it. They have the tokenomics, but no tokenomics was not released to the public, and they are going to dump this token to the public. One of the major thing is, like, everything is, it is 100% completely pre-mined. So even the community part is controlled by Aptos Foundation and Aptos Lab, which is a company. So even the 51%, which is community, is just controlled by Aptos. That's it. And it's for incentive, for community growth and grants and blah blah basically. So it's 100% pre-mined. It's like fully VC coin. So the initial 1 billion supply, and there are around 7% annual 7% annual inflation. Uh, I'll show you. It is yes, it's 7% annual inflation. Then that can be reduced to 150 to 3.25 annually. Then you can see that initial supply will be around 100 million, 100 or 200 million, and then in this next 6 months, this supply will balloon to around half a billion Aptos. So I believe, because uh, VCs paid around 2 billion, $2 per APT, and if you are at this stage, because their token will be locked, so at this stage where supply is around 150 to $2 million, it might be listed around $10 million, $10 around. So for at this stage, because of the locked supply, you can see and as supply will unlock, the price will go down. So if it is listed around $10, then it's a VC price. But buying at this stage is very risky. It's just trading basically, because you don't know the fundamentals. They are just saying that they are from Facebook, they can build good products. I don't think so. because they have to prove a lot of things, because a lot of projects failed, a lot of layer 1 failed already. So they have to prove a lot of things. So VC paid $2 per token, and they were trying to make money, so they will try to dump, they would need a better price for their token. So it will might start from with $10, it can go uh, high at the time of listing. And you can see that if you are buying it at least for more than $5 or $6, you are paying more than VC price. It's okay if to pay premium on a VC price, but not too much. At least you won't be buying it more than $10. It doesn't make sense. And if you're buying at this price, you need to sell it fast because supply will balloon. Yes. So, and if you compare it with any other blockchain, so if it is valued at 2 billion at the time of funding, you can see the market cap of top blockchain, smart contract blockchains, and you can see fully diluted market cap of, let's say, Algorand is around $3 billion. So this already valued at 2 billion at a VC round. So buying it is little risky at this time actually. So cool. So we'll go next. So this is the ecosystem I was seeing on Aptos, and I was amazed to see this because I never heard these projects. I didn't find any project which I knew, because even though on an infrastructure end, infrastructure is something where there are companies who provide services to multiple chains, and I didn't find any name which was already a well established infrastructure player. So that was something, and this came in everything came last 10 11 months. I was very suspicious basically. So this infrastructure, I didn't believe anything. So next, there was a lot of controversy because it launched, because when they launched, there was, people are saying there was only 4 transactions per second. They told 100,000 transactions per second. And then there was Discord. Their Discord was locked. They actually locked the Discord, and then they said that there was a lot of people coming in and to stop spamming and sort of this, they stopped the Discord basically. And there is another major controversy that Aptos doesn't want exchanges to list perpetual contracts, but Binance already announced it, and it might push other exchanges to list this also. And there is another controversy which was recently, that um, there was a court case by an investor, already an investor. She complained that um, the Moshe, who's a founder or who's a co-founder of Aptos project, they tried to cheat them, that she owned around 50% of equity um, in Aptos, but actually it was partially rejected by the judge. So this was another controversy. I'll add all the links in the description. And then let me show you something. It's pretty interesting actually. So Sui is another project whose similar background, who's also building on DM, Facebook background, raised 300 million, people background from Facebook, and using similar languages, similar technology. See, they're also using Move. They're also sort of Facebook DMs project, uh, building on that basically. So there are two projects, Aptos and Sui. Both are trying to make money out of something which Facebook trying to do. Yes. So this is my review of Aptos blockchain. um, I think it has to prove a lot of things. What languages, technology you use doesn't matter. There are a lot of application, when application get built and infrastructures come in for a, there is a lot of things which is needed to make a blockchain success. I believe Ethereum actually is a successful blockchain, even though it has a lot of problem, because there's a lot of infrastructure around it, and there's developer tooling, developers aren't, so it's whole economy built on top of it as a platform. So but other projects continuously sees problem because everything is not getting built on top of those things. So now they are every day not a lot of new projects which are launched by VCs are just, if you see VCs, get away. If you see any project is heavily backed by VCs, just run away, because they already mark that project so high that they don't even, most of the time VCs doesn't know what they're doing. So it's and they also have this FOMO, where one VCs comes in, the lot of VCs comes in because they feel FOMO. So yes, so don't believe that if it, and background doesn't matter. A good background, people can create failed projects. We've seen a lot of failed projects like this. There are a lot of blockchain failed, us failed. I believe Cardano is a failed project. I created a video on it. There is no blockchain which succeeded at the level of Ethereum. There are few is trying, which BSC is good, Polygon is good, sort of those things, but no one else succeeded. Even the Solana is sort of failed hope. uh, yes, so if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. uh, I'll create more videos like this. Please share this video with your friends, and please click on the like button. Thanks.